Hello guys, what's up? This is your Tech Best and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, finally today I will be giving you an honest review of these two watches. So guys, let's start the video.
So guys, here is both the watch and I will be giving an honest review about these two watch. And as you know that this is a Realme watch and this is a Amazfit Beep or S or Amazfit Beep Lite. So guys, at first let's talk about both the watch display. That this Realme watch comes with the display that is 3.5 centimeter and it gives the resolution 320 into 320 pixel, and it is a color touch display and having the Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And this Amazfit BP also having 3.2 centimeter display. It is little bit smaller than this Realme watch and it having the resolution that is 176 into 176 pixel. So here you know that this pixel is little bit lesser than this Realme watch. And guys, this is also a color touch display and having the 2.5D carved Gorilla Glass. As you can see, it is a carved, so it is like that 2.5D carved Gorilla Glass and having Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So undoubtedly this two watch is having Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and this two watch will not having any fingerprint. If you touch it will not support any fingerprint, so this is a plus point about this watch. And guys, now let's talk about the battery life of this two watch. And this guys Realme watch, if you charge it 100%, then it will be having 9 to 7 days battery life, and if you start your heart modulation rate at all time, then it will support 7 days battery life, and it will give 20 days battery life if you turn this power saving mode. So guys, and it is having the battery capacity that is 160 mAh of battery. And this guys, this Amazfit Beep is also having the 200 mAh of battery life, and it supports 40 days of battery life with your heartbeat sensor on and 90 days standard battery life. So this was the battery life. And guys, now let's talk about the water resistance about this watch, because this water resistance is too much important as wearing a watch. So guys, this Realme watch undoubtedly it supports IP68 resistance. That means no need to open your watch while you are washing your hand or while you are swimming. So guys, no problem in this Realme watch. And guys, this Amazfit Beep supports 50-meter depth the water resistance. That means up to 50-meter depth you can carry your watch. After that you cannot carry this watch because there is a water pressure with this watch, so you will unable to wear this watch after 50 meter. So this was the water resistance. And guys, now let's talk about the most important, that how can you compare these two watch by the help of your phone. Guys, first and foremost I will say that this Amazfit Beep watch supports the GPS, inbuilt GPS support. That means that where is your phone, you do not need to carry your phone, it will track your phone automatically. But guys, this Realme watch does not support any GPS. So guys, this is a negative point of this Realme watch. But guys, both the watch supports the Bluetooth and you can connect this watch and Realme watch you can connect by the help of the Realme Link app. By the help, you will get it from the Play Store. And guys, this Amazfit Beep you can connect with Amazfit Beep's original app that you will also get from the Play Store. So it's both the watch support the Bluetooth connection, so no problem. And guys, next is about its features, that both the watch supports the heartbeat sensor. That as you can see that this is a heartbeat sensor, but the one plus point from the Realme watch that it supports the SP2 monetization. This is a heartbeat sensor, but it another feature is the SP2 mode. That what happened, the SP2 or SpO2 monetization supports your how much oxygen is present in your blood, so it calculates that things. So this is a plus point of this Realme watch. So guys, and next point is our that what type of the notification you are going to get. So guys, you are going to get all type of notification which will come to your phone. From here, if you slide it down, then you will get notification. As you can see, from here you will get notification, and if you pull it from the down, then you will get notification. And guys, this Amazfit Beep support more than 2, 3, 4 notification at a time you can see, but not clearly you can see because the more notification is there. But this Realme watch at a time, it will show at a time one message only. And both the watch support all type of notifications like WhatsApp, Facebook, and your messenger or common message, all type of notifications both the watch support it. And another thing, now the next point is about this, what are the tracking features these two watch giving. So guys, as I am talking about the first the Realme watch, so Realme watch gives you the sleep track, as you can see, and the music control, then camera control, and find your phone, meditation, alarm, stopwatch, weather. So these are the common features then you are going to get. And SP2 is also there, heartbeat sensor is also there. So these are the features you are going to get, and tracking features these are you are going to get. And this Amazfit Beep also going to give you the music control. It will give you the support of find to your phone. It will support your alarm and weather, and the most important that its advantage is that compass. It will give you the compass. And guys, honestly saying that it shows the perfect the north, south, east, west. So this is the compass is added with this phone, but this phone does not have, this watch does not have the camera control, or meditation support. This watch does not have. And guys, next talk about the workout features of these two watch. Then guys, if I look out about the Realme watch, then we are going to get a lot of the workout features, that is outdoor running, walk, indoor running, outdoor cycling, accessibility capacity, that this capacity shows you the mental pressure, that means how much level you are thinking, so it will calculate that. And next is strength training, also here football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, indoor cycling, elliptical, yoga, and cricket. These are the workout features you are going to get in Realme. And lots of workout features is there in Realme, but in MS Fitbit there is no lot of features, but a little bit features that are the common features. As you can see, that the outdoor running and trending, and then cycling, indoor cycling, and then freestyle walking, open water, pool, elliptical training, yoga. So these are the common features you are going to get in this MS Fit watch. So guys, these are the little bit features and features about this watch. So guys, nowadays the most important that if you are feeling the board with these watch steps, then you can change this watch step. As you can see, then you will pull it down, then you can change it. So you can change the steps of both the watch. And guys, next and the most important thing that I will talk about now, that it's build quality. So guys, as you can see that both the watch are approximately same size from the length wise, both the same size. And guys, honestly saying that this Realme watch that is looking more stylish and more attractive looking, as for its golden round finish and shining finish, as you can see. And only at the back it is giving the plastic strips at the back, and so this is the look of this Realme watch. But guys, if I see about this MS Fit, but it does not look more classy, but feeling like a little bit dull type, but good. And its backward is also plastic, as you can see. So guys, this was the complete features about this two watch. And if I so now last most important, if I talk about its price. So guys, you are going to get this Realme watch in Flipkart or Amazon Flipkart at the cost of 4,000, and this MS Fit you are going to get at 5,000. And guys, remember one thing, that its cost is this much only. This is 4,000 and this is 5,000 only. And guys, if you are buying from the offline market, now it is not available in the offline market, and whenever you are going to buy from the offline market, so guys, please claim that price what I am saying now. And guys, in the box, the too much more price is given, that will double the price of this watch is given. So guys, do not be a fool and give that money the what is written in the box. So guys, these are the things. So guys, these are to complete the review about this watch.
So guys, this was the complete tech review of these two watch and also the full comparison of these two watch. And guys, if I talk about from my side that which watch you should buy, then guys, I will follow that the value for money and the features. So guys, I will definitely choose this watch, as you can see, because this watch is full of features as compared to this watch. So guys, undoubtedly I will say that you can choose this watch. But guys, if you are a daily exercise worker or a hard worker person, you do not carry your phone all time, then I will suggest this watch because it supports a GPS tracking system. That means you should not have to carry your phone at all time with you. So guys, if you are a hardworking person and do not carry your phone at all times, you can definitely choose it. So guys, this was a complete video. So guys, how you enjoy it or what more details you want to know about these two words, so guys, please comment down below, and guys, have a subscribe and share it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Keep a love. That's cool.